Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Kajabi for online course revenue streams, complete guide step by step clearly. To download Kajabi, start by visiting the official Kajabi website. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.kajabi.com. Once the website loads, look for the Get Started button on the homepage. Click on the Get Started button to begin the sign-up process. You will be directed to a page where you can enter your email address. Input your email address into the designated field. Next, create a strong password for your Kajabi account. After entering your password, click on the Sign Up button. You will receive a confirmation email from Kajabi. Check your inbox for the confirmation email and click the link to verify your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Kajabi website. Log in using your email address and password. After logging in, you'll be guided through an onboarding process. Follow the prompts to set up your account preferences. Next, navigate to the dashboard where you can explore various features. To start building your online course, click on the Products tab. Select New Product to create a new course from scratch. Choose the type of product you want to create, like a course or membership. Customize your course details, including the title and description. Once you're satisfied, click on the Save button to keep your changes. To add content, navigate to the Content section within your course setup. Upload videos, PDFs, and other materials as needed. After adding your content, set up pricing for your course under the Pricing tab. Select your desired pricing model, whether it's a one-time fee or subscription. Finally, publish your course to make it available to your audience. Now you're ready to share your course and start generating revenue. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.